to be done, the main features of the job, the authority and responsibilities of the job holder. Then we will see some definitions of job description. First one is a job description is a written statement of what the worker actually does, how he or she does it, and what the job's working conditions are. Second definition is that it is a list of a job's duties, responsibilities, reporting relationships, working conditions, and supervisory responsibilities. Then third definition is a job description is an organized factual statement of the duties and responsibilities of a specific job. So these are 2 to 3 definitions of job description. Then we will discuss about the importance of job description. Job descriptions are usually essential for managing the people in the organizations. Through job descriptions are required for recruitment so that the managers and the applicants can understand the job role. Job descriptions are necessary for most people in the work. Then next is a job description defines a person's role and accountability. And the last one is without job description, it is usually very difficult for a person to properly commit to or be held accountable for a role. This is the importance of job description. Then we will see steps of writing job description. Following steps are required to write or prepare a job description. First one is start with a job analysis. Second one is identify essential rather than marginal functions. Third one is cover the key areas, and last one is write in a simple style. Now we will discuss these steps in detail. First one is start with a job analysis. Writing the job description is normally preceded by a job analysis. The job analysis is the study of the job or role that helps the employer to identify and describe the essential functions of a position as well as competencies, knowledge, skills and abilities needed to fulfill the functions. Then second one is identify essential rather than marginal functions. The next step is to identify the essential functions of the job, the purpose of the job and the importance of actual job functions in achieving this purpose. In evaluating the importance of job functions, consider among the things the frequency with which a function is performed, the amount of time spent in the function and the consequences if the function is not performed. In defining the essential functions of a job, it is important to distinguish between methods and results. While essential functions need to be performed, they often do not need to be performed in one particular manner. Then third one is cover the key areas. Job description describe the job and not the individual who fills the job. They are written narratives of the major duties and responsibilities of a job position or job role. The job description also states the results expected of anyone in the job. There are many formats used in preparing job description. Typically, the key areas to include are first one, job title. Second one is position reports. Third one is job purpose summary. Next is key responsibilities and accountabilities. Then dimensions or scope or skill indicators of that particular job. The next one is hours of job, and the last one is date and other relevant internal references. And the last step is write in a simple style. Job descriptions should be written in brief and clear sentences. So these are the steps involved in writing a job description.